Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release on RHEL 10.2, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL 10, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then select 64-bit.rpm. Then accept and install. See, at a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 137 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directly. CD downloads ls. Now we have to run this RPM package. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable release 151. Ignore this error, ignore this warning. We have successfully installed Google Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. Accept the terms of license agreement. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, keep the checkbox as selected. And if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select both the checkboxes. It is up to you. Then click on OK. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, we have successfully installed. Let's remove this one to clear the space. RM Google, press the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable release 151 on RHEL 10.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.